Okay guys, how many of una remember this gospel singer Oluwatimileyin Ajayi wey kpai a girlfriend earlier this year? Court don sen ten ce Oluwatimileyin Ajayi to death by hanging. Today wey be on the 26th of June 2025. Guys, every day for thief, one day for the owner. Let's watch this video.
The High Court in Lafia, Nasarawa State has sentenced Oluwatimileyin Ajayi to death by hanging. The judgment was passed by Justice Simon Aboki, who found Ajayi guilty of the murder of the late Salome Adaidu. The conviction comes after details emerged of a disturbing crime where the court found Ajayi responsible for not only killing but also dismembering Salome Adaidu. The specifics of the heinous act led to today's definitive ruling. Salome Adaidu, a 24-year-old member of the National Youth Service Corps, was reportedly visiting Ajayi at his residence in the Palana area of New Karshi, Nasarawa State, when the tragic incident occurred. Mr. Ajayi had initially pleaded not guilty to the charge of culpable homicide. The case was taken over by the Nasarawa State government through the Ministry of Justice, leading to the trial, subsequent conviction, and death sentence.
From the Council, I'm the state coordinator. The law has taken its course. Because of the peculiar nature of this case and the accelerated hearing it was given by the judiciary, we have no option. We are lawyers. We only assisted the defendant in presenting his case. The duty to decide the case either way is the exclusive prerogative of the court, and that is what my lord has done, analyzing critically the evidence of both parties. The option is left for the convict and his family members if they choose to test the judgment elsewhere. As I said, it is their discretion. We cannot dictate that to them.
The court relied on two things. First, for us to prove this type of offenses or any criminal offenses, we are expected to do two things. Either to bring a direct evidence of what happened, or the confessional statement, or the circumstantial evidence. Now, in this case, even though we don't have a direct evidence of what transpired in that room, however, we were able to provide circumstantial evidence, which actually goes to show what transpired. So the court looked at that and also considered his confessional statement to the police, which is even the legal evidence that we are required to tender. So, and then those are the basis upon which the court made this pronouncement. First, there are sufficient circumstantial evidence that led to the conclusion that he actually killed Mrs. Salome, and also his confessional statement to the police, which was tendered without objection. So those were the basis upon which the decision of the court was arrived at. By the Constitution, he has 19 days within which to appeal. However, it is within his right to appeal, failure of which the Ministry of Justice will have to recommend to His Excellency to sign the death warrant for proper execution of the judgment of the court.